I do in that basement, I'm saying it's like appreciated. So I'll go back and do that
What is going on, guys? So today I'm here at Filam Auto Body Shop. I'm here today to prep the car for the NASA event, September 23 and 24 at MSR Houston. But I gotta fix the fuel tube. Basically, when I put gas leaks out to the side. And yeah, so I'm making a mess when I'm putting gas, so I don't want that. But anyways, it's getting hot here again. We had a good weather for a while, but it's getting hot again. But they're kind enough to let me use the side lift they have, so we're gonna work on that. I need to get this done soon. I gotta have a few stops to make, so let's get started. Here is John, the famous Vanta Black. Can't see him, it's dark. John, what are you doing today, man?
Huh?
What are you doing?
For the 86.
What about you, man? What are you doing over here?
Chilling, you know, trying to sell my car.
What are you doing today?
Painting.
Painting what?
Alright. Hey, man.
Why are you throwing gang signs? If you need any work done to your car, maintenance, if you have a project car, bring it over here. Filam will take care of you. Okay, just tell them Lenard sent you, and they'll take care of you. But they do a good job. They do paint jobs and everything. I support them. So underneath the car, this is what I'm talking about right here. Somewhere over there, there's a fuel tube. So whenever I put gas, it leaks out. So I have to do something. Well, I tried fixing the fuel tube, but there's no way I'll get to it. So I'll just get it done somewhere. I'll probably see you in the end racing, since they know more about how that stuff goes. So, but since I'm here at Filam, shout out to Filam. I'll go ahead and just change my brake pad so I don't have to do it. And I got a new car, a project car, so I'll be posting a video for that soon, so stay tuned on that one. But I'll go ahead and do the brake pads right now. Other than that, I think that's it. Pretty simple. It's a good day to come out here on a Saturday to work on cars. Alright?
In the shade.
In the shade.
It's too hot.
I'm working on outside the shade though. I need to get a little dark because they said I'm light skinned. This dude dark skinned. Alright, this weather is just crazy. Hot outside. Just got done with the rear brakes. Now I'm about to do the front. But this is what Filam do. They paint. They do a good job doing body paint, part, you know, all the parts. So I'll show you guys. So JP's about to paint the bumpers and the side mirror. He's getting it prepped, and we'll get some footage of that. So those are the stuff they do here. They paint, they do maintenance, basically everything. They do everything here. It's free estimate. So get an estimate on how much it costs to do work on your car, and they'll take care of you. Just tell them Lenard sent you, okay? And you'll be all right. Well guys, that will conclude this video. I got done with I just finished my installing the brake pads. So I'm good to go for a while. And it's hot. And that's it. So guys, like the video, subscribe, say hi. Oh yeah, Will came to support last minute, like always. Last time I was changing the brake pads, he didn't even show up.
Put John in the postcard.
So don't mind John. He is. But yeah, hit up Filam. I'll post their website here below in the description, and their website or whatever. And just hit them up. They'll take care of you. All right, bye. Come on, man. You camera shy?
Yeah, represent Filam real quick.
You can't be a celebrity if you're camera shy.